this module, learn how to send an invoice without dispatching stock. You will be able to send an invoice and take payment from the customer first, then order the goods in and dispatch the stock to the customer later. Begin by enabling the feature under Company Settings. Go to the Sales and Purchases section and click the box next to Allow Invoicing Without Dispatch. Let's create a new sale. Once you fill out the order details, click the New Save option at the bottom, Save and Invoice Without Dispatching. The sale has been saved and invoiced, but your stock levels will not change yet. You can download and email this invoice to the customer. When you go to your list of sales, you'll see that the status of this order is not dispatched. Once your stock has arrived and you're ready to dispatch it to the customer, click the Edit icon. Here you can view the sale. You cannot edit it as it has already been invoiced to the customer. Please note that if you have any batched items in this order, the Dispatch button will not be visible until you complete all batch assignments. After clicking Dispatch at the bottom, your goods will be removed from stock. For managed items, the Stock Adjustment Journal is then sent through to 0. The sale is now complete, so the order status will change to Dispatched in your sales list.